Kitano-cho, Kitanak is a city district at the foot of the Roko mountain range where many foreign merchants and diplomats settled after the port of Kobe was opened to foreign trade in the second half of the 19th century. More than a dozen of the former mansions, known as Ijinkan, remain in the area and are open to the public as museums. Ben's house, a residence totally preserved as it was built in the late Meiji period, with its moat, walls, and window frames. It has been designated a cultural property of Kobe for the moat at the front door, built with red bricks ordered from Germany at that time. The house was redecorated in 2019. The French house is a unique Western-style house with a pair of European buildings standing symmetrically, which is formerly built as an apartment for people from overseas. Inside the house is unified with French-related works including furniture and equipments in Art Nouveau style. Most of the houses charge an admission fee between 550 to 750 yen, while combination tickets are available to see multiple houses. The entire district is pleasant to walk through and offers a variety of cafes, restaurants, and boutiques, making it a favorite among young couples. Weathercock House, constructed as the house of German trader G.Thomas in 1909, and famous for the weathercock on the steeple, designated as a national important cultural property. The Kitano Tenman Shrine is a shrine built in the northwest section of Kyoto over 1,000 years ago.